Technological University. GTO, in association with DAS Scientific Research Labs and Private Limited, is organizing a two-day workshop specifically to focus on a new system of mathematics teaching and demonstration, replacing the conventional practices. Now, about the workshop. Maths is a key subject in every sphere of life, be it solving complex equations, bargaining natural phenomena, or simple household work. Everywhere, maths plays its essential role. The conventional methods of solving problems involve high-end calculations and complex concepts. Many times, without understanding the actual problem, we follow and apply the mathematical concepts mechanically. So this workshop is basically meant to help participants and professionals to visualize few important mathematical concepts so that they can correlate this into any other form and develop quick understanding of problem and instantly find a method for its solution logically. The workshop provides few tricks that will help to analyze a problem without any complexity. Now, the topics of the workshop will be well explained by our expert, Mr. Chanchal Das. About him, I would like to say something. He is a fellow of Institution of Engineers Mechanical Engineering. He is postgraduate diploma in operations research. He is a master of business administration in financial management, and he has worked in a position of development strategy executive in ONGC for 22 years as a reservoir engineer. He is also an inventor of multiple zone well completion technology and electronic contract bridge game and new system of mathematics teaching and demonstration. He is a life member of Indian Mathematical Society, Society of Petroleum Engineers, and Society of Petroleum Geophysics. He has published and presented numerous papers and attended various national and international conference forums and seminars. So he is right now a managing director of DAS Research Labs and DAS OTPL. So now I would like to request Mr. Das to take this workshop further. About the highlights, just I want to give some of the things which we have done in past. We have organized this kind of workshop specifically for mathematics subject in the month of June 2014. So you can say first phase is covered, and we have in the second phase we have invited new other people, new other faculties and students. So it is the vision of Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir to develop some animated content of this mathematics, as a failure rate of mathematics is quite high in first year degree and diploma engineering subjects. So to reduce that failure rate, VC sir actually wants to develop a content for the subject where you can use some animation sort of things and prepare a good lecture or something, and which could be then uploaded on YouTube and available free to all. So that is the basic thing we want you to give up to the university after attending this workshop. Thank you.
I should say that I am not a faculty or academician. I never thought, and I tried once or twice, but I failed miserably. Even my son and daughter, they are not liking when I do things. So, but luckily the situation is turning that I am now trying to teach again at the flag end of my career. So, and how it started, I want to share with you. Many of the topics in school, what we have learned. I have done many courses, all informal courses. AMI I have passed, then postgraduate diploma I have done, then MBA I have done. All these informal, not formal, attending college. So I have to read on my own, and I have to grasp all these ideas. So I could manage it, but many of the times I used to feel that I am not clear about that what for we have done. I'll cite one example, that matrix. Matrix is a vast subject, and it was very liking to me because it was a simple repetitive method. The only thing that first I used to answer this matrix question. Whenever I used to appear any exam, matrix question portion I used to, because that will give 100% mark. and it was very easy. But I had a mind, oh, why do you use that? Even I was in Hindustan Fertilizer Corporation for a long time. I was with ONGC. I was a reservoir engineer. Reservoir engineering is a branch of engineering which is full of mathematics. That we are responsible for extracting oil from the underground, and this all physical, chemical conditions we have to evaluate and suggest a suitable way for extracting that oil. So it is full of mathematics. But still I used to feel that whatever we have learned in school and colleges, why we are using mathematics, why we are using, we are not using anywhere. It was my feeling that time. So that intuition was there with me constantly, you can say. And casually I was trying to fill these gaps. Means what for. So I used to refer many books, and I will show few books which has helped me and how it has helped. Because this story I wanted to tell you that in this course I will be covering almost every branch of mathematics what we have learned in 2 days. Everything. And you will be surprising how it can be taught in 2 days. All this mathematics from class 1 to PhD level, all these mathematics can be taught in 2 days. Is it possible? But I will tell that it is possible. And how it has come, I will tell you. Very long back, in I think 1992, I got this book. This is a Russian book on mathematics, mathematics science. It is very nicely written. And I used to read this book many times. And when I read it, everything is very simple and beautifully represented, and I used to get. But after 3 months, again I forget everything. So again when I reopen this book, everything starts new to me. So what fun of reading, reading, no? So this was one of the books, but I was carrying this book with me for that long. Whenever I have posted, I used to take this book with me. And then in 2003, I am showing this book sometime in future when you feel that you refer to book, because I have read hundreds of books and it is not possible to practicing engineer. I left my job and I started my own company, so I have some time to read additional books. But those are engaged in their profession, it is very, so I am citing some books which you can directly follow and get benefit out of that. Second book here, this is Hugh Jones, Computer Graphics through E-Mathematics. So this book also, this was ONGC library, I received it in 2003. This is another good book. This is a story book. This is not mathematics. This is a mathematics book, mathematics handbook, but this is a almost you can say a story. This is nothing mathematics in that. All a story about mathematics. And it was also, I was very impressed with this book. But when I used to apply these things, no, it appears to, the way the author has written this concept, no, it appears very easy. But I never could reproduce it. It also repeating, means whenever I open, everything becomes new to me. So then I cannot progress, no. Everything I start with 0, then I will be at 0 only. I cannot reach 100. So that was there. I am calling this in 2003 onwards, and numerous times I have issued this book from library, and now I have replaced that library. I could not purchase it because this is costing around 8,000 rupees. This price or 6,000 rupees, something like that. So I cannot purchase it, but I requested my friend. Second book, third book, what has given real breakthrough is this book. This book is written by Rogers and Adams. How I got this book? Here I told you that this is computer graphics for mathematics, through mathematics. Okay, so I use that mathematics they are telling many nicely they are telling. Then I thought that this is latest book. So some old age when the computer graphics were started, old books elaborate because that is a starting point. Now many things they will not repeat here in advanced books. So I searched for a old book library, and this was the result. This book was a very old book when computer graphics was started, almost you can say. At that period it is written, this book. Rogers and Radham, Mathematical Elements for Computer Graphics. And from that I first subject. If you learn matrix, you can handle anything. And this is the motivation. I recently, this was supplemented by this Mathematics for Computer Graphics, this John Vince book, Mathematics for Computer. So you can say that I am learning this mathematics from computer graphics books, not mathematics textbooks. And lastly, this is another book. This is Calculus Super Review book, ACR. This is a series they published from Research and Education Association, REA. Last month I was visiting USA. This is printed at USA, and I shared that I received that worldwide award from it, and I was there for receiving that. But I visited their Texas University, University of Houston, and other 2-3 colleges. And in one college I got this book. This is one Research and Education Association. They publish quiz book. This is a good book actually. I should say entire calculus is written very nicely. So this was my journey, and at the end, enter in it. When I have all these things, if I can share it with you, because I had something in mind, so he was reading all this. He cannot get support. They have read. And as I am not a professional academician or faculty, so many mistakes in my lecture. So please pardon me. And with that I will start. And I will not go for introduction, because I used to spend half an hour for introduction, but nobody will remember. So whether we meet in debate or already it is late. And this is one thing. Another thing is that this is an opportunity. 2 days is not a very valuable time. We should not waste it. We should use it full extent. So this is something I will rather give you this copy if possible, and you see it. These are written something about me, and I will skip this one. And this is the something we will follow, informal. It is not formal like school. You should also contribute, and we will usually share our thoughts. Healthy interaction, freely sharing of views, and no knowledge judgment. I know more, you know less. It should not be there. I know that now. It is endless. We cannot learn everything. So knowledge judgment is very bad thing. And my flow, these are the charts I have made. Skipping, and I will be going directly. I start with that